So we made it to the Grand Prairie Outlet Mall. So we're gonna walk around here for a little bit and see what these stores got until it's time to go and to the Demolition's place. Maybe I should have grabbed a jacket after all, because my arms are cold.
It's too late now. I already.
But you still got the after effect.
Oh man.
Am I still burning though?
That death by whatever the hell they call it.
Can't think good.
Oh man, that's my sweat.
What's that one?
This one is the sweet chili.
I gotta do that one. If it's hot, I don't want to taste it at all.
It's cool. It's cool.
I don't like it.
Ooh.
Your hair's sweaty.
Alright,
Haven't you learned to stop trying hot stuff?
you got the smoke. I like it, man. Like,
Just get the death by whatever it's called. Like, but you.
it's like the thrill of it.
But can you see yourself eating it on wings?
Hell yeah.
All right, so we got a bunch of different sauces for the game tonight. So we can 9 times out of 10 we're gonna order wings from Wingstop and just sauce them ourselves, because I really don't feel like making any. So yeah, that's probably gonna be the vibe today for the Seahawks game. All right, so we finally made it here. It's like in a little warehouse area, which I expected because of the type of place it is. But here it is, called the Endorphin Factory. I think that's what it's called. If I'm wrong, oh well. Who's gonna check me, boo?
Me.
Alright, so we are finally back at home. The game, whenever Kevin finds it, is on, and we are going to make these wings. Well, not really make them because I bought wings from Wingstop, and we're just going to mix it with the sauces that we got from the place that y'all saw earlier. Let me show y'all what we got. So this one is, we got the honey garlic one. Gator bite. This is the one that Kevin liked, so he can have it. It's freaking hot, so I don't plan on eating that. Then we got what is this? Cinnamon and habanero. That one was hot too. Did I try that one? I don't think I did. Alright, that's it in that bag. And then we got mango habanero. And then I like to eat like shrimp tacos and fish tacos and stuff. And I'm always down for like a mango salsa. Dang, how they get 13?
Man, I don't know.
And then they got 10.
It was just like, what, 6?
We was like real behind in the car, huh? Okay, and so this one is the pineapple salsa. You know I'm a fan of pineapple everything. And then this one, I've had mango salsa before, so hopefully this one is good. Mango salsa. And is that it? Yeah, that's it. So I'm about to toss these Wingstop wings in the salsa.
Salsa?
And what is it? What I say?
You said you about to toss them in the salsa.
My bad. I'm about to.
What?
I'm about to toss them in this sauce. Alright, so let me just do.
I may want some flats. Don't take all the flats. Like, you gonna eat some of the mango?
Yeah. Well, use the smaller bowl so we can use this one for the mango. Since you're gonna do like 1 or 2. That's good. That one gonna be my favorite. I already know. Like Wingstop.
The last one. It was something, not something.
Alright, so we about to go and eat our wings and watch the rest of the football game. We're losing right now, but you know, you never know what happens in football. But yeah, I'll see y'all in a hot second. What's up, y'all? So it's the next day, of course. Different fit, no makeup, blah, blah, blah. So apparently Texas is supposed to have this wintry weather, you know? I didn't believe it. I still don't. But it's little snow flurries are coming down. See, we don't get to see this type of stuff in Texas, so this type of stuff excites me because it's just always hot. So we'll see what it does. Hopefully, you know, it makes snow and I can go outside and take pictures. So it's coming down harder, but it's still not sticking. It's hitting the ground and making it wet. That's all. All right, y'all. So I've been a horrible vlogger today. I've been chilling all day doing nothing. I actually just got done filming another video, so that's actually what I've been doing today. But it's later on in the day, and it's no longer snowing or sleeting. It's not even raining anymore. It's just wet. It was fun while it lasted. So I am hungry now, so I am going to attempt to make some fish tacos because we got that mango and pineapple salsa from that place yesterday, and they recommended to have it like with fish tacos or shrimp tacos, but I'm gonna make them with fish because we're gonna have shrimp tacos another day. All right, so fish tacos are done. I told y'all I didn't know what I was gonna put on them, so we just got lettuce and we're gonna put salsa. I also made like a side of queso too, And then we got the mango salsa and the pineapple salsa that we're gonna eat with the fish tacos. I'll let y'all know what Kevin think. All right, y'all, so it is the end of this day, end of this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed this weekend vlog. Yeah, we had fun, so. Oh yeah, and the fish tacos were bussin', just the way they are, with just the lettuce and the salsa, and Kevin loved them, by the way. So, you know, I mean, I ain't no chef or nothing, but, you know, I be doing a little something, okay? But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with everybody, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.